really want to learn how to code. I heard this coding thing is hard though. Kella, can you suggest some tech roles that I can learn that does not involve coding? Java this, Python this is that. Trust me, I understand. I know they struggle. When I say I know it, trust me, I do. But I bring you guys good news. You guys that don't want to learn coding, I bring you some good news. I just discovered this new tech role that does not necessarily involve coding. Though it's not for everybody, it's not for everyone. But stay tuned, listen, and check to know if it is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where tech meets music and lifestyle in perfect harmony. It's your girl, the QA engineer by day and DJ by night. Kella, the tech DJ. So on this channel, we talk about tech, digital roles and skills, music, my DJ career, my lifestyle, and so on. So if you're new to this channel, stay tuned because you are sure to get value, information, entertainment from this channel. So I was just doing my usual research and watching some videos online, and I came across this role and it seemed very interesting. Then I went to do further research about the role, and I'm like, okay, this is quite interesting. AI and automation consultant. I'm like, I can't do it because I'm already doing something else and a couple of other things, but I just thought to share with my people. Again, this role is not for everybody. It's not for everybody, and I'll give you reasons why I said it's not for everybody. But who is an AI and automation consultant? These are professionals who offer expertise in the process of implementing AI and automation tools to organizations. So they offer this, like, they have idea of this AI and automation tool because there are so many AI and automation tools. So they have gone to do their research on it. They have ideas. They know how it works. They know how to implement it. They know how to incorporate it. So they assist these companies to sort the best AI and automation tool for the company according to the company's need, organization's need. Then they implement it for them and incorporate it, and that is where the tiny or little technical knowledge might come in, but it's not exactly necessary. We'll get to that. Now let's talk about understanding this role. These AI and automation consultants are professionals who specialize in implementing AI and automation solutions tailored to meet the unique business needs. Now, most companies automate some of their business processes, while some companies don't. They do some of the business processes manually. They don't know that some of the processes which they do manually can be automated. This is where you, as an AI and automation consultant, comes in. You serve as a strategic advisor to identify opportunities where AI can be leveraged to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and accelerate growth for the company. Now, remember I said that you don't necessarily need technical skills to excel in this role. Yes, that is true. But let's just say this role can be divided into two. There are some people who actually need to understand some technical skills to excel in this role. And you need to understand AI and machine learning. You need to have some basic programming language like Python. And you need to know automation technology. So these people are the ones that would focus on actually incorporating and implementing these tools for the companies, because in order to implement and incorporate these tools, you need to actually understand the tools and you need to understand the technology behind these tools. That is where the technical and the programming language and programming knowledge comes in. But on the other hand, you as a non-technical AI automation consultant, all you just need to know is understand, know these tools. You need to know them. You need to have vast knowledge of different AI and automation tools that can help companies help their business process, help them to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and so on. You need to know so many of them. That is where some of these skills which I will list out, some soft skills which I will list out comes in. Now, what are some of the skills that are needed to excel as an AI automation consultant? Number one, research skills. You need to know how to research. Because you need to have a vast knowledge of different AI and automation tools. There are thousands of AI and automation tools, and there are new ones springing up every day. So your research skills need to be high up there. You need to know how to research. very well. And also you need to know how to research these companies that you want to work for. So it's possible you could be working for a consultancy company, then that's fine, they will be outsourcing you. But if you're like working on your own as a freelance consultant, or you're working on your own, you need to know how to research these companies that you want to work for. You need to know how to research the companies, what they do, the solutions they provide, and so on. So your research skills has to be very, very, very good. Secondly, you need to have communication and interpersonal skills, because you're going to be doing a lot of communication. A lot of communication. You need to have interpersonal skills. You're going to be communicating a lot, having interactions with people, with the business, and so on. So your written and verbal communication has to be top notch. Now, the third skill you need to have is or will I say are problem solving and analytical skills. You need to be a problem solver. I need to have great analytical skills, because you're going to be analyzing their business, understanding and analyzing their business process. You know the strategies, you know what they do, the solutions they provide, where they are coming from, their vision, their mission, and so on. So you need to know how to analyze their business. Also, you need to know how to analyze data, either the data they give you or the data you go and source by yourself. So you need to have great analytical skills. It also helps if you understand, if you know how to analyze data. It also helps. Then you need to have business acumen, because it's not enough that you have great communication skills or you know how to analyze data. Do you understand business? Like, are you a business person? Do you have business acumen? Because if you understand business, if you understand the initiative of a particular business, or what it is they are doing, the solution they are providing, or the product they are building, or yes, you would know how to the best AI tool from your research. After doing your research, you know the best AI tool that is fit for them on their different business processes. So yes, you need to have good business acumen. The other skill you need to have is consulting skill. Now, not everybody knows how to consult. This is why I said this role is not for everybody. It's not for everybody, because truly not everybody knows how to consult. Consulting on its own is a special skill. So it helps that I would say this role is for people who probably have had like previous consultation or consulting experience in the past, in their past work experience. So it's easier for people who have done that to easily pivot into this role. It's easier for them. I would not exactly advise newbies who are just getting into tech to go for this role. It's not exactly advisable. But if you assess yourself and you think it is something that you can do as a newbie, if you have all of these skills which I've just mentioned, and maybe you want to add a little technical skills, if you think you can, by all means, please go for it. But maybe you probably need to take some courses on consulting, and so on. Yeah, but I would say this role is for people who have had previous consulting experience, and who have had communication with big companies and their CEOs, who know what it means to go to companies and consult for them. It's easier for them. This is a role for you if you've had this kind of experience. Now let's talk about benefits of AI and automation consultants to these companies. Number one, they help increase efficiency. Now when you as an AI automation consultant streamlines a process for a company by advising them on the right automation tools to help their business process, you're increasing efficiency for them, especially of course if it's the right tool you're advising them on. That is why you need to do your research on the right tool for a specific kind of company. Remember I said earlier that you need to help them tailor their process. So like there are different companies with different solutions and different things that they do. So you need to make sure that the AI tool that you are advising them to use or you are implementing for them is streamlined and tailored to the unique business needs. So that way, it helps them increase efficiency. It also helps them reduce costs. Maybe labor cost or whatever cost. They could be using an expensive process or tool, or even the manual process could be more expensive. But if you just are able to suggest to them or advise them on the right AI tool for their process, you could help them reduce costs. Also, you could help companies make improved data decisions. Like I said, you're going to be analyzing data for them sometimes. So that way, the company can make improved data decisions. That's one of the benefits of an AI expert, AI and automation expert. Also, one of the benefits of an AI and automation expert is elevating customer satisfaction. Now, for example, say you help a company or you advise a company on an AI tool which helps personalize a customer experience, and the customers love it. That is helping the customers elevate the customer. That's helping the business rather elevate their customer satisfaction. And another benefit is it gives the company competitive advantage. The If you as an AI consultant implement and incorporate the best of the best AI tools for a certain company, you are giving them advantage ahead of other companies, and that way you are bringing more customers for them, and you are increasing, their revenue and so on. So these are some of the benefits of an AI and automation consultant or expert. So now you're asking, how do I start in this role? Where do I start from? What do I have to do? This, that. Well, I would say, first of all, you need to take some courses. Now, not courses specific to this role per se, yeah, but you need to take maybe courses like consulting courses, how to consult if you don't have past consultation experience. Communication, if you need to improve on your communication, maybe research skills, like you need to know how to research. There's some courses on researching and so on. Start with taking these courses, then go online and research the kind of companies you want to consult for, because it helps that okay, I am interested in consulting for a certain some companies, let's say health tech companies, fintech, and so on. It helps that the kind of companies you want to consult for. It's easier because there are different automation tools for different purposes here. So it's easier that the kind of companies you want to work for. Then you start doing your research on these companies, knowing their names, knowing what they do, and even on that. So even under health tech, or let's say under fintech, there are also smaller niches under these companies. Yes, so they are like under health tech, we have fitness in health tech, and so you need to know specifically the kind of companies you want to work for. Yes. Then I would say also you need to assess yourself very well. Ask yourself the question, can I do this role? Is this something I want to do? Is this something I would enjoy doing? Is this something I would gain satisfaction from? If you have been able to answer all these questions and the answer is yes to most, then by all means you can go for it. You're done with your research, you're done with your courses, you've done your homework, and you're asking, how do I get these jobs? How do I start consulting for these companies? Well, this role is not a role that you can just go on LinkedIn or Indeed and search AI and automation consultant and see jobs. Nah, you would barely see any job like that, to be honest. Yes, you have to reach out to the companies yourself. Yes, you have to reach out to them yourself, but make sure you have done your homework. Make sure you have gone to research most or like useful AI and automation tools to meet these companies and their business needs. You have to create a portfolio where you have a list of these tools and what they do and how you can help them implement it. Now, some of this also it also helps if you're able to reach out to some of these AI companies or these automation companies and tell them that, okay, this is what you do, you're a consultant and you would like to even probably have a demo. You're helping them sell their products. That way you're even consulting for them indirectly, if you understand what I mean. So if you're reaching out to these companies and they'll tell you that, okay, fine, if you're able to sell our products for us, this is what you get a percentage. I don't know how it works, but I want to believe it may work like that for you if you know how to sell yourself, if you know how to present yourself, if you know how to communicate. See why I talked about communication being one of the major skills you should have. It is a major skill, so go and work on your communication skills if you want to do this role. Yes, so after you've done this and you've researched on the company that you want to work for, because you need to research, you need to know what they are doing. What is it, the solution they're offering? What product are they building? What are they doing for people? It also helps if you have an insider in the company that knows their business process already and the tools they're using already. And that way, if you have an idea of the tools they're using or their business process, you know the tool that is better for them or the tool that can help them improve. If you know where they are lacking, like if you know the places where they are having like issues, you can know where to come in. But it's fine if you don't have this like idea or this knowledge. It's fine. You can also like present to them new AI tools, new ideas. You have to think of the best AI tools and automation tools that can help them. That way, you tell these companies how you can add value to them. You reach out, you draft very good emails, you like your emails, your messages, whatever it is, however you want to reach out to these people, you make sure that at least the messages you're sending can capture the attention of the CEOs, the recruiters, or whoever that's in charge. So you have to be intentional about this, reaching out to at least 20 companies in a week. And if you do that like every week, or maybe let's just say 10-20 companies in a week, if you do that like every week, at least 1 or 2 companies will be willing to listen to you. There are many industries where you can work as an AI and automation expert: fintech, banks, banking industry, the health tech, and so on. Also, you can also work for consultancy companies. So let's say you don't want to work directly with the company, you can go and reach out to this consultancy company and tell them that, look, this is what this is what I do, this is how far I've come, this is what I know, these are automation tools I know. I would like to work with you guys. Then they can, if they interview you and they see that, okay, you're good enough, they can employ you and they can outsource you to companies where you consult for. So yes, this is how you can start as an AI and automation expert. I've come to the end of this video. I hope I've been able to impact value and share knowledge. Like I said earlier, this is a new role that I just discovered. It may not be new to some people. So if it's not new to you, if you have an idea of this role, if you know how people can excel in this role, please drop some tips in the comment section so other people can learn. In my next video, I'm not sure what I'll be talking about. Maybe you can drop, a topic, or suggest a topic you think I should talk about, and maybe I would consider it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.